Alright, I set y'all in for a treat. Here we go. This right here, the Snowcat 2.0. A lot of detail I put into it, you know, painted the hinges, make sure I painted all the other detail stuff. These were our group decals for the group, 5-year crooked crawlers. You can find us on Facebook. Growing group, got about almost like 400 members in that group. It's pretty awesome. This thing just turned out super nice. Check out these wheels. That's some SSD assassin wheels right here. Huge shout out to Joseph. He hit me up on YouTube. He saw one of my videos, so I extended the links out here. And actually stamped these out of some aluminum himself, which, you know, fix that angle. Perfect for crawling. Appreciate you tuning in and checking out my videos and whatnot, giving all your input, all the likes and comments. It's all appreciated. While we're just trying to, you know, enjoy this nice hobby right here. So if you have any questions, hit me up. I'm always saying hit me up. People do it. I'll help you out best I can, you know. It's all one love for the hobby. Alright, thanks y'all.